So I filmed an intro for this video like a million times. I did like a million takes, but it all comes down to this. You just have to watch this video because you are absolutely 100% are going to love these lashes. And that's all I have to say. So just keep watching. You'll see what I mean. And yeah, let's go. Hey babies. I have not been excited about a product like this for the longest time. I am super excited about this video and showing you guys these lashes that you are just gonna have to try for yourself because this blows everything else out of the water, okay? If you're new to my channel, welcome. Come along for the journey. Love having you. My name is Kim and I do videos on beauty, fashion, and a very little bit of fitness lately. Just all bad, but that's a whole nother story. Let's just get right into it. This video is not sponsored, so here we go. There are two things that I hate about strip lashes. Number one, the adhesive. Number two, hiding the lash band. And those two things are eliminated with these lashes. So these are the lashes that I am so super excited about. They are from Kiss Impress and they are press-on lashes. These are like almost like refill packages. They have like one main big pack that comes with like a whole bunch of lash clusters and also these tweezers, but I have all those tools already, so I don't need the tweezers, so I just got me these packages. So I got the Airy, Wispy, and the Bold Volume lashes, and these are actually like lash clusters, so they're not like a full strip. You kind of have to put it together yourself, which sounds harder than it really is. It has this pre-bond technology built into the lash cluster where, whatever, basically it's like a sticker, you just stick it on. That's, you know, the easy way to explain it, you know? Pre-bond technology, yep, that's all fabulous and all, but let's just face it, it's just the adhesive is built into the lash, so all you have to do is like pop it on. One of these packs is probably gonna be like anywhere from, I'd say, like $8 to $10. Without further brambling on, whatever that means, get ready to be amazed. Here we go. Before you apply these, curl your lashes, okay? Now, I did a lash lift a while ago now, but I still have the reminiscence of it, so I don't have to curl my lashes, which is amazing. If you're interested on how to do your own lash lift, go check out my video. I'll link it up here. You don't want to miss that video. You can do a lash lift right at home. Your lashes will look fabulous for like 6 to 8 weeks. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So after you curl your lashes, because these lashes are so dark, I like to apply a coat of mascara to my own lashes so that they blend really well. Now this is personal, this is all up to you whether you want to do that or not. I've worn them without any makeup before, but just to get the full total effect of how I would normally wear them, I'm just gonna apply a quick coat of mascara to my really boring, kind of plainish lashes. The top portion of the cluster where you see it's a little bit darker, that's the adhesive. So it's not like the whole cluster has adhesive on it, it's just sticky at the roots of your lashes. I always like to start on the outside. There. Press on. Press on lash, press on. Press and hold for a second, and it's really sticky, so sometimes it'll get stuck. There. don't even feel that I'm wearing anything. So I'm gonna follow that one up with another long one right next to it. There. Follow it with a nice squeeze. There. I'm gonna follow that one up with a medium lash. With these lashes, you don't even need to fill in your whole lash line. You just do like the outside portion and it already makes an amazing difference. So that's how far I always go. So it's only 3 clusters. So here's the last one. There. Now, as you can see, there is a lash here that's kind of like long. If you're bothered by that, you can always like trim it a little bit. I love it. And there is no lash band on top. It's underneath. You can't feel them. Yeah. I'm gonna continue and do the other side. Yeah, that's good. It's a little bit further than the other one though. Further in. But we're just going to go with it. A few tips for when you're going to be applying these. Make sure, and this is key, to apply them to the root of your lashes, not to the water line. Because if you apply them to the water line, your upper water line, you are going to feel them. And that's a no. You don't want to feel these, because I'm wearing them now and I could wear them all day. I could sleep with these because I wouldn't even know I'm wearing them. So apply them to the lashes. The adhesive sticks to the lashes, not to your water line. Next, when you remove them, make sure to put them back in the packaging right away, because otherwise you're going to be like me and it's going to get messy. Make sure you clean them up because you'll find them sticking on everything, okay? And yeah, we don't want that. That was my video for this week. I hope you guys like it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Check out my next video next week. I will be back. And in the meantime, if you want some more information about these lashes, I'll put a link below the video where you can purchase them if you want. If you want to try it yourself, I'll put a link to my blog where you can read more about the lashes if you want. And yeah, I will see you guys again, hopefully next week. Stick with me. And yeah, have a good one. Hello? Hey, I'm in the middle of filming, Mati. You're on camera right now. Yes. Press on lashes. Blah, blah. I can't talk. Okay. I will see you guys back again tomorrow. No, next week with another video. Okay, this is all bad.